Hello, my name is Kevin and welcome to the Decanters channel. So, I did a video called Schrodinger's Roma, and it was about this giant Roma that I'd had, and I talked about Romas in general, and the giant Roma had like a crack that ran most of the way around it. There's about 2 inches of the top holding it together. And yeah, and I tried to glue it with Gorilla contact adhesive. It says it's for glass. Clear, so it should be absolutely clear, and you know, not supposed to yellow and stuff like that. It was really thick and gunky, wouldn't go into the cracks. When I washed it, it kind of started washing off, so not genius. So then I went back, W. Smith's, good old W. Smith's, Loctite glass. Yeah, so this is really fine, thin stuff, and it just disappears into the crack, which is what I wanted. I want something that would go into the cracks and stabilize them. So yeah, and I've been able to clean the Roma, and I also used it on the jugs that I bought. Well, I didn't pay for them because they're broken, essentially, and the Romas, I didn't pay. It all just came with a whole bunch of stuff, and I didn't count them as being worth anything because they're not really worth anything. But it's all interesting to me, academically, just to have a look at it. So yeah, I can highly recommend Loctite glass. It seems to have worked. I will show you the Roma and the jugs that I fixed, and yeah, so this is just a short video just to say, yeah, this is the stuff. This is the stuff. So let's get on and have a look at the glass. So this is the Roma. I've had to move the camera quite far away because this is a huge thing. Let me put my hand on it so you can see. And it's looking quite good. It's cleaned and washed and everything. I was able to actually put it in the washing up bowl and give it a good wash. And yeah, but I'm not showing you the good side. It is still a bit of a disaster zone. So that's the crack that I wanted to stabilize. But someone else had previously had a go at repairing it here with, I don't know what kind of glue that is, but yeah, it's very obvious, but it sounds, obviously it's not pinging, but it's not absolutely thunking like it was. I wouldn't have even tapped the top like this before because it could have just, the whole top could have just come off. So yeah, looking good. Not sure what we're going to do with it, but as an exercise, just to play with the super glue and everything, I think that's a success. These are the 3 broken jugs that I have. These 2 are broken at the bottom, here and here. Let me show you. You can see the crack through it. And if I ping it now, yeah, it sounds, you could hear that it was broken before. It's difficult to, should have done it before and after. And this one, yeah, there's the crack through the base. And yeah, that's looking pretty good, I think. This one is actually a claret jug. It should have a stopper. I'll probably never get a stopper that colour that would match that. If it was clear, I'd probably have several that would go in it, but no, I don't have. This one is actually a jug. It's never had a stopper. You can see here where it's definitely fitted for a stopper. On this, not only can you not see where it's fitted for a stopper, but when you feel inside it, it's just smooth all the way around. It's never been cut to fit a stopper in it. So this one is, although it's broken, it is complete, which probably makes it more valuable than that one. And this one has got very bad bloom as well. So it's going to cost you £16 just to clean it. So yeah, it'll never be complete. And it's actually in negative money because that is a clean job and a half because it is very bloomed. This one is a later jug. So if you saw a previous video I did, this type of jug was probably made up until about 1890. I think this one's not is a bit older than that because a lot of them, the handles weren't cut, but this one, so later on the handles tended to be just natural. This one is cut. It also has a little flat piece on the top. Can you see? If I can get it to focus on the handle. Can you see it's got like a little disc cut off the top to rest your thumb on. And there's the crack at the bottom. And what you can't see so well, you can see a crack here, but the whole thing is detached. So it'd come away. So the whole handle would come away. And yeah, it feels fairly solid now. So I've carried it around a bit, did a little jigging with it, and it seems to stay okay. And if I was to take it down the shed, I could probably get a stopper for it. You can go either way with stoppers for this one. You could either get one with printies, these little lenses cut out of it, so that it would have like a row of printies around it, or because it's got a panel cut neck, you could have a panel cut one with a panel cut neck and a faceted stopper, because it's got lots of this kind of cutting already. And usually if you see this type of cutting, quite often they would have a faceted stopper to go with it. So yeah, so that's where we are with those. Yeah, that's really charity shop fodder, really, even with a stopper in it, because the whole handle's been off it. This one's a bit better, it's better quality, older, but still not very valuable with that chop through there. This one's negative value. So there you go, Loctite Super Glue. I am not sponsored by Loctite in any way, shape or form. If they want to pay for this glue that I've used, yeah, send me the money please. Can't remember how much it was. It wasn't very expensive. It was like I think it was £5 or something. Just, I wanted to have a go, have a play with it, see what it was like. I spent a couple of hours playing on the dining room table. Remember to put some paper down, because probably the only way you'd shift this off your table, if you got some spilled on it, would be with acetone, and that would probably take all your varnish and polish off too with it. So yeah, make sure you got something underneath you when you're putting it on, because it is wet. You know what I mean? It's not like this stuff is quite thick and gunky, and the other stuff is just like water. So you squeeze the thing too tight and yeah. Anyway, so that's it. I'm not going to give you a reference for Loctite. It's Loctite glass. And that's it. And so thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, because it helps my channel. And have a good night. Good night.